Hello, students. What do you see? This is called a bathroom. For today's lesson, we are going to talk about bathroom, but not like this bathroom. Instead, we're going to talk about this bathroom. We call this public restroom. This means that when you have to use the bathroom, you go to a public restroom. Are you ready? Let's get started. Inside of a public restroom, you will see stalls. Stalls are the places you go to use the bathroom, and it gives you privacy. Inside the stalls, you will see a toilet tissue, and you will also see something called seat covers. Seat covers is what you would put on the seat if you need to sit down on the toilet. This is based on personal preference. After you finish using the bathroom, you are going to use your foot and press down on the lever that you see here. This will flush the toilet. Do not use your hands. Some toilets have buttons that you can press to do the same thing. Notice this sign. It says, "Please do not dispose of towels, napkins, or sanitary products in toilet." What does this mean? Well, the word dispose means to throw away, to get rid of something. Towels, napkins, this is the paper that we use to clean ourselves. Sanitary products, this is for women. This is feminine products that we use. They tell you not to throw this into the toilet because it can cause backup. Backup means that the toilet would no longer be able to flush. So any of these items you must throw into the garbage can. Now it's time to wash your hands. This is very important. Why? Because there is a lot of bacteria and germs inside of a public restroom. So you always must wash your hands. Here you see liquid soap. You use this to wash your hands. When you are done, you use the tissue to dry your hands, like in this example. When you are done, throw your tissue in the garbage can. This particular garbage can opens automatically when you stand near it. If you don't want to use tissue, you can use a hand dryer. For this dryer, you would use the button on the right side. You can press it and then you put your hands under the dryer. This will dry your hands faster than using tissue and is considered more hygienic. But again, this all depends on the person. And once you are finished, you can look at yourself in the mirror to make sure that everything is okay. Or if you just want to take a selfie like I did in this picture, then you can do that too. In many public restrooms, you will see a baby changer station. This is a table that moms could use to change the baby's diapers, such as this example. This helps mommies to change their baby's diapers without doing so in public. Also, in some bathrooms, you may find something like this. This is actually a machine that you can pour mouthwash to rinse your mouth. For a lot of people, they like to brush their teeth while they're in the bathroom. So this machine will help in that. In some bathrooms, whether it's public or a private bathroom, you will see something like this, pull for help. This is common in medical offices. So let's say that you go to use the bathroom and you get sick and you need to see a doctor right away or a nurse. Pull on the cord and a nurse or a doctor will come to you right away. So the next time you go to a public restroom, remember, choose a stall, use the bathroom, pay attention to the signs because this will assist you as well. Also, don't forget to wash your hands and look at yourself in the mirror to make sure that you look okay. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I know this lesson is a bit embarrassing for some people, but one thing I've learned is that English is everywhere. And sometimes when it comes to life skills such as this, we need to be able to read and understand the English that we see in the public restroom. Thank you so much for watching, and always try your best. Give the gift of learning. New video lessons are available which accompanies the Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook. I'm offering a sale of video lessons where if you buy the workbook, I will give you a discount code to purchase the lessons. So you get a little money off of the original price. So hurry, because this offer ends January 5th, 2021.